A few years ago, while driving through upstate New York during the dead of winter, I came across a property for sale that completely shifted my understanding of residential architecture. The home had a typical suburban build, but attached to its core was a soaring 2-story glass enclosure that wrapped around a back patio. Inside was a lush green oasis, a heated in-ground pool, plants, and lounge seating where a family could experience summer 365 days a year. It made me ask a fundamental question. Why are we still building northern homes that isolate us indoors for 6 months of the year? What if we took the classic American ranch-style home, reimagined it for extreme 4-season climates, and merged it with self-sustaining greenhouse solarium? What if your home didn't just shelter you from the winter, but generated its own clean energy, grew fresh organic produce year-round, and housed the heated pool powered by passive physics? I'm Tim Ung, and this is the design of the greenhouse home for northern regions. Approaching this home from the street, the design respects its surroundings. It features a traditional single-story ranch form wrapped in a whitewashed red brick facade and capped by a clay-colored slate roof. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any neighborhood fabric, from tight small city lots to suburban developments or rural acreage. But if you look closely at the proportions, you begin to see subtle architectural clues that this home is fundamentally different from anything around it. As we orbit above, you can see how the traditional L-shaped residential floor plan is completed into a crisp rectangle by a massive glass volume occupying the remaining footprint. On the south-facing roof slope, an integrated solar panel array harvests clean energy. Nestled alongside it are specialized high-performance skylights that span the main living spaces and transition into the glass roof of the indoor oasis. In a northern climate, every glass panel must be engineered with intent. All skylights and solarium walls utilize aluminum structural framing with impact-resistant laminated tempered glass, or if you're trying to reduce costs, polycarbonate panels. Each glass surface features subtle, etched bird-safe patterning, preventing collisions while maintaining crisp interior light. And for those wondering about northern snow loads and ice dams in the roof valleys, the entire gutter infrastructure is equipped with a low-voltage heat trace line and micro-perforated caps. Snow melts on contact, debris stays on top, and rainwater drains continuously into underground collection cisterns. Before we step through the front doors, let's see how this 4,500 square foot footprint is organized. Architecture should feel logical and effortless. The home is strictly divided into 3 distinct functional zones: a 1,700 square foot living area, an 850 square foot integrated greenhouse and garage, and a soaring 2,000 square foot indoor pool room and garden oasis. The spatial layout allows the primary living spaces, the kitchen, dining room, and primary suite to surround a central pool and garden. This means every daily routine, from making morning coffee to stepping out of the bedroom, is visually and physically tied to an indoor tropical ecosystem, no matter how cold it is outside. Crossing the threshold into the home, you're greeted by natural materials and light. To the right sits the primary living nook, designed around an intimate sectional sofa with seating for 8. The wall behind the TV is clad in acoustic wood slat panels, dampening sound reflections and maintaining a hushed, restful atmosphere. Looking up, the structural wood rafters are left exposed, punctuated by skylights that bathe the interior in diffuse daylight. The adjacent kitchen centers on a sweeping quartz island with a waterfall edge in a rich earth-tone brown pattern. Integrated seamlessly in the kitchen are a wine fridge, full-capacity dishwasher, and French door refrigerator. Tucked directly behind the main kitchen wall is an expansive walk-in pantry. This serves as the critical bridge between the indoor farm and kitchen table, storing canned goods, root vegetables, and preserved harvests that came directly from the greenhouse. Sliding open the full-height glass doors in the dining room brings us into the soul of this project, the 2,000 square foot enclosed pool and garden. Exposed whitewashed brick walls frame the perimeter, while a heavy timber glass roof arches high overhead. Here, palm trees, citrus plants, and flowering vines grow directly in ground beds surrounding a heated pool and jacuzzi. Maintaining a tropical microclimate in a northern winter requires efficient systems. We utilize a multi-layer approach. First is the geothermal heating and cooling system that actively draw outside air through buried underground ducts, preheating incoming winter air to a stable 55° Fahrenheit before it reaches the climate control system. Next is stack effect ventilation. In the summer, automated ridge vents at the roof peak open with ground level sliding doors, pulling cool air across the surface of the pool and exhausting heat naturally without grid energy. And last but not least is the liquid thermal battery. The in-ground pool acts as a massive thermal mass. Heated by solar thermal roof collectors during the day, the water slowly radiates heat back into the solarium at night, stabilizing ambient temperatures. Directly connected to the pool and garden is the dedicated greenhouse space. Utilizing space-efficient shelves, the high-density hydroponic racks slide laterally to create working aisles only where needed while maintaining a highly efficient area for growing produce. A long stainless steel sink and quartz prep counter allows you to harvest, wash, and package greens in a single fluid workflow before transfer to the kitchen pantry. Leaving the greenhouse, we move into the quiet bedroom wing. Architecture should serve us through every phase of life, which is why this entire single-story home is built around universal accessibility. The primary suite features wide, step-free thresholds, an expansive king-size bedroom layout, and private views out to the solarium garden. The primary bathroom includes a zero-entry roll-in shower with an integrated bench, discrete structural grab bars, and a floating roll-under vanity designed for seamless wheelchair access. It ensures that regardless of mobility, every resident can age in place with comfort and independence. By rethinking how our homes respond to extreme climates, we don't have to surrender 6 months of our year to cold isolation. By merging traditional suburban context with passive solar engineering, indoor agriculture, and thermal water storage, we can build homes that give back more than they consume. And that is the design of the greenhouse home for northern regions. Let me know in the comments what you think of this greenhouse home design, and don't forget to subscribe for more architecture design concepts like this one. I'll see you in the next project.